guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Grace. I'm a content creator who is currently in my village. Okay, so previously I took people to the farm and this is the after party of the farm. Okay, so we are done with work and we are currently going to buy palm wine. Okay, we'll use this thing and buy palm wine, and not just that, I'll be showing you people how we'll eat or what happens after farming. Okay, after all the stress in the farm and all that, once you get back home, this is actually what happens in my village. So sit back, relax, we're on our way to get the palm wine. I'll see people when we get to the palm wine palm wine what and palm wine seller's house. She is his house. Yeah, I'll see people when we get to the palm wine seller's house. Okay, and after that we'll be heading home so that you will see us eating and enjoying our meals. I say hi now.
Hi everyone.
So I'll see people later.
Oh, macho gallo. Wow.
Guys, I wanted to show you people this farmland. Can you see the corn and the vegetables? And then I also wanted to show you people what a village road looks like. Can you see our road? As we were going, we also met these palm fruits by the roadside. Okay, they were bringing it from the farm.
Knock knock. Knock knock. Pam pam. Pam pam. Pam pam oh.
Why did he not tell us to come here? Okay, chọrọ ịlụ mụ na aunty Mabi.
Ilu ụmụnne laba. Makala ila alụ mụ.
Just so that kini enye anyị nne abi. Wow. Afaga ahụ gịnị? Paul nwoke ọma. And ị na-eme ma chakolo ma mmanya. I've tested your wine now, ọ na-atọ ụtọ.
Thank you.
Ọ na-atọ ụtọ. Benye na anyị ha, anyị bịara ịbịa mee taa. But ị chọziri ịlụ anyị ga-abịa proper. Guys, ka anyị test ya mmanya. Oh, this is it.
What okay?
I don't okay. You miss Elani and Mary now.
Let me see.
You miss ya. Yeah, do okay. The other one you put your name is me. Do you know how it is? This one miss Ela but auto.
Yeah, we don't buy silly about what
So, that Paul yeah,
okay, ibunyere m mmanya.
Nwanne m nwanyị so ya matụcha onye ọmara.
Ọ sị o bunyere n'oche na ọ ga-enweta efu m.
Emekwagala ihe ịla adị. Ya mmanya ngwa ka ị chọrọ iji wee nweta nwaanyị.
Orukwe 1 gallon o.
Is it not that thing you tested that?
Ọ ya ka ọ chọrọ iji wee lụọ m. At least ikuru your intentions, right? So if you're hot for anything, so I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So guys, this was the wine that we bought. Okay, this gallon was supposed to be sold for 1.5, but because the man was busy checking me and my auntie, he sold it for us at 1,000 naira. In fact, we even gave him 700. We are still owing him 300, and we were filling it with our bottles. I was even surprised that the wine did not remain after filling just these two, because I was feeling that the gallon was even big. And when we were done, we left. Guys, you are done buying the wine though. Yeah. We are done, and the funny thing is, the palm wine whatsoever, the palm wine tapper wants to marry me and my sister at the same time.
At the same time, you can imagine that at the same time.
I met this man. I met this man some time ago when I came to the village, and he was giving me free palm wine all the time, and I was enjoying it. Yes.
Now you want to marry you.
Then another time I came back, my auntie told me that he was talking some blah blah things. I said, okay, let's come, but we couldn't meet him that day. Finally today we met him. He was not telling me I should come back in the evening, that he will buy me pork meat and he will give me wine. Imagine, oh, like I'm just so cheap to be bought with ordinary pork meat. Pork meat or panegole. Anyways, we are heading back home now. We'll see you people when we're enjoying, okay? Brother, you know how to chai. Wait, okay, nyere goju. Anchu ngozi. Is your thousand na thank you. Maka again.
I like it.
Hey. Jesus. God, come and join us. We are at the table. I think I just feel. You said they don't used to use spoon. There's hand.
Hand like this.
At least the question is balance. Two people are using their hands. Two people are using spoon. So we are there. See our orgy. We are using orgy to eat the iwu. No way bonga. Why? It's also very, very spicy.
Excuse me, this is not getting on that place.
Yeah, village setting.
Okay. Village setting.
No, like what you are. They're not coming now. Go to the tea shop. I fuck I hear issue in a party. No buraka. You say it's after here. I thought so. I was ready to do it for me. And I feel Ghana and call you Pachaga be on way. Yeah. I'm not coming. Our family is there.
Kamu kau nak keng ngocai mu?
Drink away. Oh my God, now. Cause what on bro? Oh, go waka wedding. Oju heju. Kekuni chokaka ime. Epunyela ụmụ nwoke the other one. Ndị nke ọzọ were family people. We are managing this one. Amakwa m na anyị na-aṅụ family. come to the end of this enjoyment.
Pull it. Huh? Have to pull it. Just one this. Babu.
Guys, you can see all our enjoyments, okay? This is my pami I'm taking.
Wow.
If you've watched up to this moment and you've not subscribed, I wonder what you're waiting for. Please subscribe, okay? Turn on your post notification because more village contents are on the way, right? I'll see people any other time I upload a new video, okay? Bye!
Anywhere you go.